Hey there, welcome back to our PowerFX series. Today, we're diving into the Selector Operator, also known as the Separator. If you're using Copilot, it's a great tool for generating PowerFX formulas quickly. But here's why you still need to understand how things work. When something doesn't go as planned, debugging becomes a whole lot easier if you know the basics. So, the selector operator, which is represented by a period or dot. This operator is key when you need to access properties, fields, or methods within a PowerFX expression. It's super versatile and helps you drill down into specific parts of your app or data. Let's start with an example. Imagine you're working with Screen 1 in PowerApps. By using the selector, Screen 1 dot, you unlock all the additional properties and options for that screen, like its display mode or fill color. This makes it easy to access exactly what you need without digging through menus. For instance, if you want the fill color to change, depending on user input, the selector lets you pinpoint the exact property to modify. Over in Copilot Studio, the selector works in a similar way. Say you've defined a variable, such as name, in a topic. By typing topic dot into Copilot, you can see all the available variables and would be able to select the name variable. And that's the power of the selector operator. If this video has helped you understand how to use the separator in PowerFX, hit that like button and subscribe for more PowerFX and Copilot tips.